Where is our community?
Oh my God. Good morning, class. How are you? You can sit down here. Oh, I hope everybody is children learning the education. Education is education. You have to force an education. I heard someone asking, the madam asking, what is love?
No.
You asking? No, the first before community. What that? He said what? What that is what? Who tell you? Don't lie yourself. No. Madam, as for that one, it's not that. What that means objection, my lord. You get it? If we are standing in the court watch, he said, Wada! What that means objection. Objection overruled. You can say that, continue. Means you are finishing all the order. And order means you can go to shop or in the place, you said, I'm order 5 plates of Indomie. That one is order. You got it? You can go to pharmacy. Say, I want paracetamol, 10 bottles. That one is order. You got it? You can sit down. You can sit down. No, you have to sing like Ghana, come on for me. No, come on. No, come on. God bless our homeland. You have another sing. Let this girl finish the sing. Yeah, this girl was. What is that? Thank you very much. A woman only. And you may only do it. Imagine the latest one. You can say, Madam, thank you. You are let everybody education. Because someone speaking like this means education is in.
Yeah, because of Madam.
Thank you. Who brought you here?
I came by myself.
You came by yourself. So you pay yourself. Oh, it's good. All because you're thinking about the community and the education. So you don't let this man to be around rough. That one is good. No, I'm not. Prof is a wanted man, them who stole the community property. Right. Yeah. Me, I am international Bema Bedide. Come and teach him.
Bedide?
Yeah, thank you. So you can write everything for them, okay? You said you have one song.
Hey, sit down.
No, it's a good song. Mature your voice. What? I will tell you.